Got a nice little common carp on here. Hopefully you don't bust off. Didn't get a chance to film the whole thing, obviously. That's alright. It's a feisty one for sure. You don't want to give up. Not huge, but he got a lot of fight in him. Nice hook set on him. Gonna weigh him. He's not real big, maybe 5 pounds or so. He's a nice little carp though. He had a lot of fight in him for his size. One last look, back to the river he goes. All right, fella. Good times. Clean myself up here.